Howdy, my name is Abigail Dover, and today I would like to talk with you about TED Education. TED Ed is a website that allows users to take any TED Talk, TED Ed lesson, or educational video and easily create customized questions and discussions around that video for their students. Teachers can use this website to distribute lessons publicly or privately and track their impact on the world, a class, or an individual student. So what this means is teachers can use this to assign lessons to particular students, to a whole class, or potentially to survey students in the area or other schools for research. Teachers can access this via teded.com, and it is a completely free resource. So this is what it looks like from the teacher's point of view when you log into your account and click Manage and look under Notifications. You can see student activity, feedback from students, educators, and discussion board responses. So like I said, TED Ed can be used to discover lessons, and what this means is that teachers can use TED Ed to search for already pre-created lessons. So they already have a video and an activity, which I'll show you in just one second. So teachers can use TED Ed to discover lessons, and when I search for lessons using the search bar, I searched for a 5th grade math lesson because that's my field placement for this semester. So I searched for an order of operations video and found this cute little video called How to Defeat a Dragon with Math. It is a TED Ed video, and basically it is a story about the different operations and how they're trying to defeat this numbered dragon. And so it is a good resource because teachers can use videos like these to engage students who maybe aren't overly interested in math. So after students watch the video on their own device, they can go to the Think section of this lesson and answer questions. And if students miss a question or need to refer back to the video's in the on the far right side of the screen for them to reference, but also if they miss the question, they can get an option for a hint, and TED Ed will take them right to the part of the video that answers the question, or at least helps them answer the question. It gives immediate feedback and says if it's correct or not, which I think is really important for especially elementary and middle grade students to have immediate feedback and know how they're doing in the lesson to help them monitor themselves and their own understanding. This section of the lesson also has a Dig Deeper section, which has additional resources for students to explore. So this lesson has a catchy song and a video that help reinforce the content of PEMDAS. One feature that I think is particularly cool about TED Ed is that teachers can use a pre-created lesson and then customize the lesson. So to customize the lesson, teachers can add a different title, maybe change up the beginning paragraph that students would read before starting the lesson, add or take away questions. So some of these questions are related to the story and less about the content, and so teachers can use this section to adjust it to their learners' needs. The next thing teachers can do with TED Ed is create a lesson from scratch. So teachers can use the search bar to find videos about any topic on YouTube or on TED Education, and I found this video on the right that says how does a credit card work, because my students are currently doing a financial literacy unit. So I selected this video, which was on YouTube, not on the TED Education website, and began creating a lesson. So teachers can add engaging statements or questions or ways that students can think deeper, add a quiz or a discussion board so students can discuss the information in the video. This is an example of what a multiple choice question would look like and what a discussion would look like. Benefits to TED Education are that it allows students to interact with content-style videos, it engages students of all learning styles, supports teacher responsibilities such as teaching and reinforcing the content, facilitating student discussion, checking for understanding, and monitoring for student progress. Thank you!